Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download multiple videos from Google Drive. All right, let's begin. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in to your account. Over here, navigate to the folder or section where your videos are stored. Then, to select multiple videos, hold down the Ctrl key, or CMD on Mac, and click on each video you want to download. If you want to select a range, click the first video, hold Shift, and click the last one. After that, right-click on any of the selected videos. Over here, click on Download. Google Drive will automatically compress the selected videos into a zip file. Then, the download will begin shortly, and you'll see it appear at the bottom of your browser or in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and extract the zip file to access the individual video files. You can now play or move them wherever you like, and that wraps it up. So that's basically how you can download multiple videos from Google Drive. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.